Okay, are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Right. Let's begin your test. I'm your examiner today. My name is RP. What's your full name?
My name is Parvinder Kaur. You can call me Bindu.
Okay, can I see your ID please?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
So, where are you from?
I am from Rupamali, which is a small but beautiful town situated in the northern part of India.
Okay, do you work or study?
I completed my Bachelor of Arts from Durga College. Now I am planning to go abroad for my further study.
Okay, what is the most interesting thing about your study?
The most interesting thing about my study is my study circle, where we all sit together and try to find questions and solutions as well.
Okay, do you like cakes and sweets?
Yes, I love cake and sweets. When my parents go outside, I ask them to bring some sweets for me. And when I celebrate birthday parties, I love to try cakes.
Okay, do you like spending time by yourself?
Yes, I like to spending time by myself because in free time I do lot of things like I like to planting trees and watering them and I like to reading books as well.
So, do you like your house?
Yes, I like my house because I have been staying there since my childhood. It's not big but very clean and I have enough space to do my all works.
Okay, it's your cue card time. I'll give you cue card and I'll give you 1 minute as well so that you can note down important ideas. So, this is cue card, that's pen, you can take it. You have 1 minute. Your time starts now. Your time's up. Actually, your cue card is about describe the festival you like to celebrate. Name of the festival, why and when this festival is celebrated, and how you celebrate it. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Festivals are a main part of our life. Among those people come closer to each other. And India is a diverse country. It has many festivals like Lori, Diwali, Dashera and so on. Among those I like to celebrate the Diwali most. The reason why this celebration become more popular, it has long history to go. It has connected with two things. First, the Shri Ram Chandra come back Ayodhya from after 14 years of exile, and sixth Guru of Sikhism, Shri Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji, helped to release 52 kings from kingdom of Gwalior. And on this festival, people like to distribute sweets with their loved ones, and they celebrate this day by blooming candles and lights as well. If I talk about how I celebrate this celebration, this festival, like I love to make sweets on this festival, and I firstly I clean my whole house, and in the evening time I visiting a temple, and night time bloom bloom candles as well, and burn crackers with my friends. And this festival celebrate usually on October month. And I like to celebrate this festival with my family members and friends as well. On this festival, many people like to go market, and they buy clothes, sweets, and toy as well for their children. So I like this festival the most.
Okay, let me ask you some more question. Do you think most of the festivals in your country are related to religion?
Yes, of course. In my opinion, most of festivals are related to religions like Holi, Dashera, Diwali, and so on.
Okay, do the people celebrate festivals with enthusiasm?
Yes, it's true. I see people celebrate festivals with full of energy. They show their love and respect towards their culture.
Okay, do you think there is any change in the celebration of festivals in your country?
Yes, of course, because nowadays people become more rich, and they spending more money on festivals, because in earlier people didn't spend more money, and they didn't go outside, but nowadays people go market to buying all things.
Okay, do you think the people will celebrate these festivals with same excitement in the future as well?
Yes, of course. In my opinion, because people are more excited with festivals, because nowadays people have more money, and they celebrate all things, and they all celebrities are related to their culture, and they show their love, and they transferring this culture generation to generation. And I think people will celebrate these festivals with the same excitement in the future as well.
Okay, and what kind of festival like do you celebrate in your hometown most?
As I mentioned earlier, there are many festivals like Lori, Diwali, Dashera, and all celebrate festivals related to our culture, and people like to celebrate all festivals.
Okay, who do you celebrate your festival with?
Mostly I like to celebrate festivals with my family members and my friends as well.
Okay, do you celebrate your birthday as well?
Yes, I like to celebrate my birthday as well with my friends and family members.
Okay, when did you celebrate your last birthday?
I celebrate my last birthday on 14 November in last year. I celebrated the last birthday with a very pump and show.
Pump and show, fine. Okay, and do you like what do you like most while celebrating birthday?
There are many things which I like, because I like to invite my friends and family members, and I like dancing, singing on celebrations.
Okay, and where do you think you will celebrate your next birthday?
I think I want to celebrate my next birthday at home with my family members.
Okay, this is the end of your speaking test. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.